Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm back with a new recipe and I'm going to show you how I prepared this strawberry salsa. This pairs very well with toast and nacho chips. So here I've prepped and laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. I have finely chopped strawberry, onion, peppers, all colors. You can use any color peppers. Then we need sugar, salt, chili powder, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped chilies, grated ginger, grated garlic, lime juice. I've used three different colors of peppers here, whatever I could find. I'm also using snacking peppers. I purchased these snacking peppers from Gourmet Garden. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog, I posted a detailed recipe. In a large mixing bowl, I've combined all the ingredients. Only just before serving, you need to add salt, pepper, chili powder, and then mix all the ingredients once more and then serve it. But if you're going to serve it right away, then add your salt, chili powder, and sugar. Mix all the ingredients along with some lime juice and then refrigerate it and serve it. This tastes excellent when it is chilled. So refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes and then serve it. I served it right away because I was shooting for this recipe. But otherwise it's very tasty when you chill this. Hope you all enjoy this video recipe, friends. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. All the ingredients list and a detailed blog post list, my other social media handlings will be in the description box below this video. Do try this recipe and post your comments. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.